Hey guys, hey, what is going on with you guys? Hope you guys are having a great week. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. My name is Ronke. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be using the Deck of Scarlet palette to create this look. So without further ado, because I don't want to talk you guys ear off like I do all the time, let's jump into the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. And leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you want to see. You guys, I keep asking you, you're not hearing me. Oh, it's not fair. It's our channel now. Let's do this together. So basically, before I continue, let me just tell you guys a little bit about Deck of Scarlet. It is an online subscription. So every 2 months, you pay $29.95 and you get a palette. And not only do you get a palette, you get a palette that contains 2 lip colors, 3 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, 1 eye and 1 lip pencil, which is really cool. And what I like also is that they always collaborate with different influencers, and this palette is in collaboration with Roxette Arisa. And I love Deck of Scarlet because it also helps you in switching up your makeup game. I have actually prepped my eyes and I've also done my brows. You can see I'm looking a little bit interesting, but after my orange makeup tutorial, I kind of really like doing my eyes before my face. So let's just get into the eyes. So as you guys know, I'm going to be using the Deck of Scarlet palette. I've given you guys a little bit of information in the beginning of the video about it. This palette is not new to my channel. I've actually had a Deck of Scarlet palette before. I really like this one because of the pop of color, but also that it has neutrals. I'm going to use the blush Lovesick to also go in my crease. Even though it's a shimmer, it's a soft shimmer, so you can actually still put it in your crease. When you're using just a couple of colors, you really have to pay attention to what kind of look you want to create. I'm going to use Soft Ochre by MAC and my e.l.f. concealer brush to just cut my crease. Now that I've cut my crease very high, I'm going to spray my brush, let it saturate, and use that Bora Bora color and just apply that to my lid. So I basically added a little bit of glitter liner just because I wanted a little bit of demarcation between the pink and the blue. I'm using MAC Liquid Lash Liner, and I'm just going to draw a wing. Now I'm just going to do my regular face routine. I literally have done this so many times that I'm actually thinking about cutting it out of my videos because honestly nothing changes aside from the eyes. So let me know, maybe I should just start cutting it out of my videos. So I'm gonna see how quickly it takes me to do my face. I'm gonna try and do my face really quickly. I actually haven't contoured like this in a while. You guys, I'm so sorry that this has happened. You know when you're teaching somebody something, I don't know if you guys are taking me seriously, but my face feels like cake right now. Literally, to understand that. Wow. So I'm going to use the Deck of Scarlet liner. This is in the shade Foxy. I'm going to use a pencil brush And I'm gonna apply the nude color in the palette. So this nude color called Smooch. It honestly looks like my naturally transformed. It's leaving me a little shook. Like this look. Created with this palette. Ooh. Give you baby shower vibes. Is it a boy or is it a girl? It could be both.